Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in tech and tools. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the laser engraving world, the Ortur Laser Master 3 Special Edition. If you're looking for precision, speed, and versatility, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine stand out from the rest. The Ortur Laser Master 3 is a powerhouse, featuring a 10,000 mW laser module that delivers incredible cutting and engraving power. With this machine, you can cut through 12 mm plywood and 10 mm black acrylic in a single pass, and even tackle thicker materials like 30 mm black acrylic with ease. All of this is accomplished at an astonishing speed of up to 20,000 mm per minute. Whether you're working with wood, metal, leather, acrylic, or even glass, this laser engraver has the power to handle it all. What sets the Ortur Laser Master 3 apart is its advanced spot compression technology, which creates an incredibly fine laser focus. The result? Super fine engraving and cutting effects that are second to none. Plus, with its filter panorama shield, the machine ensures that 97% of harmful ultraviolet rays are blocked, keeping your eyes safe while you work. This is a big advantage over other machines that may require you to wear protective goggles. Not with the Ortur Laser Master 3. Ease of use is another major benefit of this engraver. It's designed for quick setup, taking just around 20 minutes to assemble. Plus, you don't need to be a tech expert to operate it. Whether you prefer using a computer, mobile device, or tablet, this engraver supports Wi-Fi, USB, TF card, and app control. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices, which makes it super convenient for users who want to control their engraving jobs on the go. And don't worry about the machine disconnecting during a long engraving session. You can simply turn off your device and let the machine continue its work uninterrupted. Safety is a top priority with the Ortur Laser Master 3. It's equipped with 8 distinct safety features, including a safety lock, emergency stop button, and tilt motion detection, to name just a few. These safety measures ensure that you can work with peace of mind, knowing that the machine is built to prevent accidents and malfunctions. When it comes to software compatibility, the Ortur Laser Master 3 doesn't disappoint. It works seamlessly with popular software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, and supports various file formats including NC, BMP, JPG, PNG, and DXF. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll appreciate the user-friendly interface and the flexibility to work with the software you're most comfortable with. In summary, the Ortur Laser Master 3 Special Edition is one of the most powerful, precise, and user-friendly laser engravers on the market today. Whether you're looking to create personalized gifts, work on home projects, or even start a business, this machine will help you take your creativity to the next level. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews of the latest tech and tools.